how you can essentially 5x the amount of bookings you get by switching over or using a funnel versus a traditional website for your salon business or a traditional scheduling or a booking site. So first I want to get into traffic. All businesses, number one, need attention. You need people aware that you exist because attention equals traffic. Now, traditionally, the ways that we go about getting attention is probably going to be like social media, business cards, word of mouth. Those are the popular ones, but these are all forms or ways you can go and get awareness or attention. So social media, business cards, flyers, billboards, word of mouth, paid traffic or ads, which is my favorite. Then you have email or text marketing. And some of these are a little bit easier than others. Social media, you have to be really good at creating content in order for Instagram or Facebook or TikTok or whoever to say, hey, this content is good. Let's share it out to more people. With business cards and flyers, you're going to have to pass out a lot of business cards and flyers. I'm talking maybe hundreds a day before it to be effective for you to get the amount of customers that you want per day or per week or per month. Billboards could somewhat be expensive depending on the area or location and hit or miss. Word of mouth is just slow unless you've done something to go viral in your area. Paid traffic, again, my favorite. You can start with as little as $5 per day. Typically, when your ads work correctly, they pay for themselves, so it's essentially free. Again, once they work. Email and text is very good. You just have to have an email and text list to actually get your message out. So very first thing we all need, number one, is attention or traffic. But this is how that translates when you have a funnel versus a website. So first, again, we all need attention. We all need traffic. So that traffic, we have to have some way to fulfill on the traffic or communicate with the traffic. So let's say you didn't even have a booking site or a website. The person could probably call you or text you or DM you, but that may not be the most efficient way. So that's why a lot of us will traditionally go ahead and get a website, so our website can kind of do the job for us of getting someone booked. But in this scenario, we're using the funnel as an example. We send that traffic to our funnel. Now, 100% of the people land on our what's called landing page. It's like the first page of our funnel. And I'll show you an example of a funnel after this. Then from there, a small percentage of those people have the ability to opt in. Opting in just basically means they're giving you name, phone number, and email and permission to contact them. So they have opted in. So let's say we send 100 people to our funnel or to our landing page. We've got 20 people to actually opt in. Now, out of the people that opted in, they will go to the next step of the funnel, which is typically going to be like your calendar or your booking page. You have a small percentage of those people actually book, and on average, it's probably going to be about 5% or so. So if you send 100 people to your funnel, you're probably going to see about 5 people booking, as well as getting 20 leads that you can follow up with and turn them into customers as well. Versus a traditional website or a traditional booking site, you send that same traffic, they land on your website. Typically, traditional websites may not have a way for your customers to opt in, and traditionally, booking sites don't have a way for your customers to opt in. So you're going to miss out on that large percentage of people that want to do business with you, but just aren't ready right now. Then from there, you're going to have 1% of the people that actually somehow navigate their way to actually making a book appointment from you. So we're talking about a 5x difference. Traditional websites booking on average about 1% versus a funnel on average, you're getting about 5% booking. So traditional booking sites typically ensure that you're going to, number one, get less bookings because you're having a smaller percentage of people actually convert from a visitor to a booked appointment. And you're going to get very little to no leads. Some websites do have the ability to have like a opt-in form or a pop-up happen, but most of the times they're not that effective. So you're going to get, again, very little to no leads. So these are the key ways that funnels are going to outperform websites. And really quickly, I just wanted to run you through an example of a funnel. This is a funnel for, I believe, a micro link offer, but there's literally only one button. Well, there's 3 buttons, but they all take you to the same place. So one button that takes you to the opt-in. So as soon as someone opts in, it should take us to a calendar, which is the next step in the funnel process. So what I'm going to do is put a link in the description of this video to a playlist that will break down the entire process on how you can use funnels and ads to get fully booked. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.